Hi, I'm Michelle Devereux, Sales and Marketing Manager with Dataworks Ltd. We are exhibiting at the National Manufacturing and Supply Chain Conference at stand L11. In January, we celebrate over 25 years working with leaders in the life science sector to deliver better outcomes through digital transformation. Dataworks continue to grow through the high demand for our software development, validation and data integrity services and managed services. Our extensive experience means that we understand the critical processes in the medical device and pharmaceutical sectors, and we know how to apply the right technologies to achieve solutions including electronic batch record, real-time KPI visualization, analytics and machine learning. So visit stand L11 on the day if you would like to learn how we can perform a digital maturity assessment of your organisation and work with you to develop a transformation map that will help you to become a truly digital site.